Hi everyone and welcome to another video of me opening up some Harry Potter Together Contact Trading Card packs. 8 cards in a pack. Done a couple of videos of these already, plus a starter deck opening. So go and check those videos out on my channel if you're interested in them. This will be the final video of me opening these packs. I don't think I'm going to be buying any more in the near future, but we'll see. I'm starting to get quite a few swaps. So let's see what we get. That's a new one. So the metal cards. That's a very cool metal one, that one. Let's get 3 in this first pack. And then the base cards. That's cool. And rulebook is in French this time. Pack number 2. So, metal cards. That's nice. Snowy scene. I think that's a base card. So yeah, we've got 2 metal ones in this one. And they're a bit mixed up again. Sometimes they're neat, sometimes they're not. Rulebook is Italian. Pack number 3. Voldemort, I do have that one already. And that one I've got, and that one, so I'm getting swaps. Base cards. Professor Trelawney. It's funny. And French booklet. Pack number 4. Got that one 3 times now, that metal card. And I've got the troll again. So I'm starting to get a lot of swaps in these packs. I think I've got that one as well. Base cards, again all mixed up. And Portuguese rulebook. So this is the last pack, pack number 5 in this video. Again, as I said, probably won't be buying any of these in the near future, but I'll see. You never know. More metal cards. So we've got 1, 2 in this one, and the rest are base cards. Again, all mixed up. And the rulebook's Italian. So that's all the packs that I currently have of the Harry Potter Together trading cards. Again, let me know if you're collecting this set. Go and check out my other videos if you haven't watched them already. But other than that guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.